Alright everyone, you're welcome to Shamzmedia, and this is Zaka Al-Shamaki, and today I also like to show you how you can add camera to your OBS. Okay, so let's get down to the business of the day. First and foremost, what you need to do is to connect your system to same internet. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. So I'm connecting my PC to my phone. Okay, I'm connecting my PC to my phone. I allow you to connect. So this is the software I'll be using. First of all, you turn on your OBS. So once it's connected, let's see if it's connected. Okay, my internet is connected. So run it. I'm gonna refresh my system. Now that my system is connected to same internet, what do I need to do? You head down to your Chrome and Google Play Store, and you download this software, IRIUM. This webcam, you download this software because I've already downloaded it on my phone. So now that mine is downloaded, you own it. Okay, so after downloading it, once it's connected to same internet, so see now, once I turn on my hotspot and then I open the software on my phone, the app on my phone, and then it's connected to this particular system with same internet, immediately my camera got connected, right? So this is my camera now that you have your external camera outside. Okay, you head down to your OBS, right? So it is camera I want to add. Okay, so this is it. You come here to this plus sign, right? Under this plus sign, what do you need to do? You need to go and get this. Yep, we're going to first of all make use of this video capture disk or window capture disk. So you click on this now. So give it a name. What do you want to do? You want to get your camera imported, right? So let's allow it to proceed. So this is it now. So what you need now is just to go ahead and select the camera that is connected. So mine is what IRIUM webcam. So let's see if it is connected. Right, so immediately you see that my camera is connected successfully. So what do I need to do? Let me resize this, transform, and then you go to fit to screen. So immediately you do that, you see that your camera is connected to your phone. So in as much as that you can add as many camera into this particular software, but I also bring a video and show you how you can be able to install this particular software called IRIUM. So that is going to enable you and help you get your live streaming going. So you see how this software is very stable. Okay, it's very stable without lagging, without anything. So from here now, you can just decide to start your live streaming without wasting much of our time. Okay, thank you very much. See you next time. I remember myself, Zaka Shamaki.